Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys my favorite slime, so let's get started. Okay guys, so if you guys are guessing that my favorite slime is thick and glossy slime, you guys are correct. And I know some of you guys that keep on watching my videos will seen this slime before, because I actually show you guys this thick and glossy slime a lot of times. But yeah, I'm just going to show it to you guys, my thick and glossy slime, and actually do a small ASMR. This slime actually turned a little sticky, but I still managed to add a little bit of activator by a time, so it actually turned the activator activated the slime. But as I say, I'm gonna do some ASMR, then I'm going to end this video because this is actually a very quick video. So yeah, that's the end of this ASMR. I hope that you guys will leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!